So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to export from iMovie as a .mov or MOV file. So the first thing you want to do is open up your app, the iMovie app, and on here you can start a new project from the beginning, and you can also go to some of the projects you already have. Since I have this video on here, I'll just show you guys. So on here you can go ahead and export the file. You can see this little arrow at the bottom, so you can click on that. After that, you will see save or share video. You can also export a project. Now, if you export a project, it's going to go either through an email, a link, or something like that. If you want to save or share a video, I suggest you do that. And you may see under save to files that you have a couple of things that you can set up. If you use the three dots, it may even give you some other setup options. But what I suggest is that you go actually to your Mac, since it's going to give you a lot more options for you to choose from, starting with the quality of the videos, and you will need to click on best quality for the .mov to appear. You can also see it as a .mp4, but for .mov it's necessary that the quality is switched not just to high definition but to the best quality available, and from there it may save as a .mov file, but on here it's just gonna save as a video file on your files in iPhone. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.